The layout of this text and image page is too dull. Incorporating this kind of opening and closing page effect into your PPT presentation will definitely captivate your audience. With slight adjustments, this effect can seamlessly match the requirements of business environments, enhancing the quality of your presentations. Creating this effect is remarkably simple, so let's give it a try. First, insert a prepared image and copy it to the clipboard. Then, insert a rectangular shape the size of the page. Set it to have no outline. Set the fill to picture or texture fill and choose from the clipboard. This way, our background is ready. Next, insert our prepared book cover image and arrange it neatly. Copy this page. On the second page, first select the Shape background, then select All Images. In the Shape Format tab, select Merge Shapes, then choose the Subtract operation. This way, we get a shape with a hollow center. Enter a title. Then, at each blank space, insert a text box and type in a pre-prepared quote. Next, cut the book cover image from the first page, paste it onto the second page, covering the quotes. Delete the first page. Select All Images, add a shadow to all images in the bottom right direction, with parameters as shown in the video, to make the images more textured. Next is the most important step in the video, the 3D image rotation operation. Duplicate the first book page to the left. The edges of the two images should align. Group the two images together. In 3D rotation, select the preset Effect Perspective Front. In 3D format, adjust the lighting to soft. Then, select the image on the left, and in the image settings, set its transparency to 100%, completely transparent. Repeat the same method for the second image. Duplicate the image to the left. The edges of the two images should align. Group the two images together. In 3D rotation, select the preset Effect Perspective Front. In 3D format, adjust the lighting to soft. Then, select the image on the left, and in the image settings, set its transparency to 100%, completely transparent. Repeat the same method for the remaining images. After completing this, copy the page 4 times. On the second page, perform a 3D rotation on the first image group page. Adjust the X rotation parameter to 95 to create the effect of a book opening. After adjustment, the color of the book cover turns black with some color distortion. So in 3D format, adjust the lighting to 3-point mode to correct the color of the page. Repeat the same method for the second page. First, adjust the X rotation parameter, then adjust the lighting mode. Continue with the remaining pages. After completing all page operations, add a morph transition effect to the following 4 pages with a time adjustment of 1 second. Click on Preview. You will see a creative page opening and closing effect created, very convenient. With slight modifications, this template can seamlessly meet the demands of business settings, elevating the quality of your presentations. That wraps up today's sharing. I'm Dream. Stay tuned for more exciting content.